Hi, so today I'm going to guide you how you can voice chat using AI Microsoft Copilot using Edge browser. Okay, Microsoft Edge browser, step by step guide video, very easy process actually. So let's get started with that process. So first you come to your Edge browser, then you will find this microphone option over here, or else you can just come to this right top corner. You will find chat option over here. Click on this chat, and then here you will find this one microphone, and then microphone. So two microphone option over here. One is here and another is here. Okay, anywhere you click. Okay, so now let me click on this. Before I click, just let me confirm that this video is related to how you can do voice chat, okay, on Edge browser. Okay, Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. So let me click on this microphone option over here.
Hey Pro, you're back.
Yes, I'm back again. How are you?
Hey Pro, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about yourself?
Yeah, so I have my audience actually. They are listening you. Anything you want to wish them?
Hey there everyone. It's awesome to have you all tuning in. Hope you're having an epic day. Keep being awesome and remember to explore the world with curiosity and kindness. Cheers.
Okay, so just few days only left in this session. We have holidays coming, so anything you want to wish, like how we can be safe?
Hey, happy early holidays everyone. Key to staying safe is keeping gatherings small, washing hands often, and staying home if you're feeling off. Remember to spread cheer, not germs. Let's make health our top present this season. Stay safe and have yourselves a merry one.
Okay, so what are the actually holidays are coming in this 1 or 2 months?
Sure thing. Coming up, we have Christmas on December 25th, Hanukkah starting December 7th, and New Year's Day on January 1st. These are some big ones to look forward to, with lots of joy and celebration. Anything special you're planning for the holidays?
Thanksgiving also coming, no?
That's a great point. Thanksgiving is also coming up in November. It's a time to give thanks and enjoy good food with family and friends. Make sure to indulge, but also stay mindful of safety. Have a wonderful holiday season.
So can you recommend some online deliveries for cookies and pastries?
For sure. One popular option is Milk Bar. They've got a fantastic range of cookies and cakes. Another favorite is Levain Bakery, famous for their hefty cookies. And if you're after something more fancy, check out La Durée for their luxurious pastries. Sweet tooth satisfied.
And where actually we can plan to go for travel and tours in this season?
The best time to plan a trip really depends on your destination and whether you prefer winter wonderlands or warm escapes. For snowy adventures, December and January are prime for places like the Alps or Canadian Rockies. For sunshine, think tropical spots like the Caribbean or Southeast Asia. Any destinations on your wish list?
Actually, I'm planning for Alps.
That sounds incredible. The Alps are stunning in winter, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, or just soaking in the snowy views. Make sure to bundle up and maybe try some fondue while you're there. Have an epic trip.
Any place in Florida?
Florida's got some amazing spots. You might want to check out Miami for its vibrant nightlife and beaches, or Orlando for the theme parks, especially if you're into Disney or Universal Studios. Key West is also fantastic for a more laid-back vibe and stunning sunsets. Hope you find the perfect spot to soak up the Florida sun.
So thank you so much for your wonderful informations.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Enjoy planning your travels and have a fantastic time in the Alps and Florida.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So I hope you understood how you can do the voice chat as a friend, as you. This is how the voice chat works, okay, with Microsoft Edge. So now I want to tell you that we already have published lots of actually videos, helpful videos on AI, machine learning. Okay, you should check them out, right? And please thumbs up, it will motivate us.